Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This was a nighttime clean with me that I filmed around 8:31 in the evening. The day had been long. My roommates and I just got back from a Bible study, so they have some homework they need to get done, and I have some messes that I need to clean. If you can't tell from my voice, this past week I've been pretty sick, so I've let some messes accumulate, so I wanted to get those clean before the next day starts. So to clean my room, I just kind of pick up everything that's been thrown everywhere, and then I'll go ahead and make my bed and wipe down surfaces, dust, and vacuum. To run my diffuser, and so I'm gonna put some chamomile and lavender in there. I love those at night. They're really relaxing and calming. So I'm going to be using Mrs. Meyer's Lavender Multi-Surface Cleaner for everything in this video. Since it is a nighttime clean with me, this is one of my favorite scents to use, and just like I put the lavender in the diffuser, I think it's really calming and nice to have before you go to bed. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pick up my living room and the dining area.
Good night.
So I went ahead and lit my crisp morning air candle from Bath & Body Works. And sometimes I like to do this when I clean at night because even if I blow it out before I go to bed, when I wake up in the morning I can still smell it, and so the room still smells fresh. So the last thing I had to do this evening before I went to bed is fold a load of laundry. So I just pulled that out of the dryer and got it all folded up. Again, if you like the way I fold, please visit my KonMari folding method video. So part of our nighttime routine is to prep the coffee for the next morning, so that's what Adrienne did before she went up to bed.
Good night.
So yeah, before bed, I like to make a cup of chamomile tea with some milk and honey. But thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love to have you here, and keep watching out for more content.